Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2002 Ford Thunderbird convertible with factory hardtop and stand and tonneau cover. Great looking car, Arctic white, beautiful looking wheels. I'll go back to those in a second. You can see the tonneau cover is there, super clean and tidy in the trunk, super clean and tidy in the seams. It's a good looking car, folks. Really nice. So at the back here, dual exhaust with the chrome tips. This was Ford's attempt to revive the 1955 Thunderbird look in the 21st century with a car that you could actually drive, and they succeeded, which is why it's still a hot looking car today. Have a look at the wheels in great condition. The brakes have painted rotors, painted calipers. The passenger seat has a power lumbar and side airbag. The convertible top is power. I'll be showing you that later. Have a look in the door frames. Just a thing of beauty. What a gorgeous car. All in great shape. Love the condition of this car. The chrome around the surround of the windshield is in fabulous condition as well. The wheels again are in super condition. Nice looking Michelin tires with painted rotors and painted calipers. Under the hood is a 3.9 liter V8 engine mated to a 5-speed automatic transmission. It produces 252 horsepower, but 167 foot-pounds of torque. So it gets around, but not really screaming fast, but certainly enough for those that love it. It's a great car to drive around, very nice touring car, nice looking chrome grille with that smile and those lights on it. It just looks so happy. What a good looking car. We'll climb around here and have a look at this wheel in fabulous condition also. I should show you the top while I'm over here. The hard top is in outstanding condition, no scratches, no issues. It has the stand, as you see, nice looking portholes, and the inside, the headliner is in fabulous condition. That's just the strap in my photo there. So great looking condition there, nice looking machine. It lands on the top beautifully and fits snugly. The power top also is in good condition. I'm going to be showing you that now. So here's our airbags on the power driver's seat, 6-way with recliner. Your trunk button is lockable there, so you can lock that with a key so that if you're out of the car, you can keep things safe in the trunk. You've got power windows and power locks. You've got automatic automatic lights, headlights. So power mirrors there as well. Let me fire it up. 3.9 liter V8 engine, very solid, very reliable, good engine. 75,620 kilometers only, so that's pretty low in the kilometers. That's awesome. And let me close the door so that'll stop beeping on us. It's got the 6-disc CD player and fully automatic air conditioning. Our power top down there. You can turn off the passenger airbag for children. You've got your 5-speed automatic transmission, which you can slide through. It's got, believe it or not, a little ashtray here. Doesn't look like it's been used, but there it is. Underneath this armrest here, you got another little storage compartment in there. So really nice looking vehicle. Speakers all over, steering wheel controls for the stereo, as well as your cruise control, and then a power tilt and telescopic feature here, which is working beautifully. Okay, so let's put the top up. It's a one-touch button, very easy to use. Nothing to it, it goes up very quickly. When it's up, all you have to do is push this button and it locks into place, and that's it. Put the windows up, and you're good to go. And there it is, beautifully quiet, good looking dash inside. Love that design, very classic. So let's climb out now and have a look at it from the outside. You can see in the door frames, it's looking fabulous. The seat condition, awesome. There's the top, also looking great. Good looking car. Wow. What a great design. There are so many people that wish that this was a new car again today, that they could buy this. Wow. It's a great design. And this one's in fantastic condition. You can hear it rumbling away there. Nice sounding car. You got your top there, and that top, and the tonneau cover. Everything's with the car. So here it is, folks. That's a 2002 Ford Thunderbird with hardtop and soft top, here and available at MunroMotors.com. Hey, come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.